So for the construction of this project, we need to clear out this entire zone. So all the material we excavate from here is going to be dumped out in this zone down here.
There's a lot of excess dirt to remove from this area, but we're going to make use of it by dumping it in our future terrace project over to the right. And as you expose the tree roots, cut them off with a reciprocating saw, as we want clean fill for our future terrace project. The lower you can get to the ground, the better for this kind of work. The bigger the roots get, expose more roots, and the process continues. Digging out stumps like this can be hard work, and we just keep adding wheelbarrow loads to our dirt pile. We just have to cut the tap root off at the bottom and this thing will come free. Flatten this dirt pile out, so I want the dirt to compress as flat and as hard as possible. We're using the sledgehammer and the wrecking bar. It breaks up quite easily with the sledgehammer. More wood retaining walls behind it.
Lay your head upon my shoulder, shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.